Customization is a big part of what we aim to achieve for our customers and what they're capable of achieving when it comes to marketing their blog or e-commerce website. In the past, we have worked on numerous features to allow you to fully customize your pop-up forms and landing pages based on your brand's guidelines or your own creative flair. Now, we're taking it up a notch in another exciting feature release, the custom fonts. To check it out, just go over to Manage Site to access the settings for your MailMunch account. You will notice a brand new section here called Custom Fonts. By default, this section will be empty, and you can add a new font by clicking on Add Custom Fonts. Once you click it, you'll be presented with two options. You can either add one from the Google Fonts library or add a custom font. If you'd like to add a font for Google's font library, just click on the first option and you'll have access to over 1,000 Google fonts with the option to search and make it super easy to find the perfect font. To add the desired font, all you have to do is simply click on the font name. This font will automatically be activated for your site. Going over to the drag and drop builder, you'll find that the font has been added to all sections of the builder, including forms, landing pages, and the broadcast and autoresponder sections of the app. The second option when adding a new font is from other font libraries such as Adobe Fonts. For that, just click on Custom Fonts and add the required values, and you will see the newly added font in the Custom Fonts category. After you've added a bunch of fonts, you have the option to disable them from settings. However, just make sure they're not being used anywhere before you disable them. You are now ready to fully customize your layouts to fit brand guidelines or to explore creative possibilities with every tool in your site. If you'd like to find out more about MailMunch, feel free to schedule a time for a one-to-one demo using the link in the description.